G'day, it's Adam Franklin here, and this is my dog Bella. So look, today I want to talk you through a little bit about SEO, and there's two really useful free tools that I want to share with you. But look, at a high level, SEO is all about your content and about the number of backlinks and the quality of those backlinks to your site. So let's firstly talk about the content on your website. It's all about having the right keywords and understanding what keywords people are searching for so that you can actually create content based on where there's demand. So the tool that I like to use for this is called Ubersuggest. It's a free tool. Look it up and type in either topics that you specialize in, and it will give you suggestions, or just type in your domain name and it will actually give you a whole bunch of keyword suggestions based on difficulty, based on competition, all that sort of stuff. Now, the second component of SEO is the number and quality of authority links coming into your website. So there's a really great tool that I've been using for a long time. It's called Moz, and it tells you how many links you've got pointing to your site, the authority of those sites, and if you want to use that tool, just look up Moz Link Explorer. And you can, I think you might have to register for free to use it, but once you've got it, you can then find out the domain authority, the pages that are attracting the most links, and all sorts of useful data. So to recap, Ubersuggest and Moz Link Explorer, that will tell you the keywords you want to be including in your content and giving you suggestions. And secondly, Moz Link Explorer will tell you the quality and volume of links you've got coming into your site. So right, that's it from me and Belly down here, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.